This patient came to us with chest discomfort, like really a lot of symptoms. And he had a 99% blockage in the main blood vessel in the heart. And we fixed it. And you're putting one stent, but excellent result. He's at 0% now. We will feel a lot better. So this is what this patient came from. As you very well can see, this is the coronary angiogram. And as you can see right there is a 99% blockage just hanging by a thread. This is known as the left anterior descending artery. I will take it closer so you can see. This is what it looks like with what he came in with, kind of disconnected. This is what it looks like after putting the stent. These two dots are where the balloon was placed. And as you can see, that it's absolutely down to 0%, and it looks like it's connected now.